You are clearly an AP two-tone.
Yeah, they tryna at me, I'm running the race. I gotta pick up the pace. They throwing shade, but I'm gone. You gotta keep it a buck to my face. Taking that gang out of space. It's best if you stay in your place.
What up, YouTube? It's your boy Roseville J, man. We back at another video, man. Oh, okay. Today we got some nachos. Oh, the jump about to fall off the plate. Wow. How can I, like... Gonna slide, huh? Alright. How to get a thumbnail. Man, before we get into the video, man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Y'all gotta start spamming, bruh. Fan engagement means the most, bruh. I need y'all to engage. I really just want to talk to y'all today. And yeah, man. But alright, today we got some steak and chicken nachos, you know what I'm saying? I'm really ready to eat. I'm tired of talking, so just give me a second. I just gotta take a bite, bruh. I'm really hungry, no cap. Alright, I got some water. Oh, these chairs, boy. Chairs kind of high up. Alright, so I just want to come in and talk to y'all, man, and tell y'all what's going on. You know what I'm saying? I was really tired today, bro. I'm already behind like one video. Y'all didn't even know. Alright. First thing, man. So I see that y'all really been liking the last two videos. I think we're at like 20 views right now. The other one I just posted that definitely less than 24 hours ago. So we've got the I went outside video, you know what I'm saying, down on Glenwood. That did pretty good. It seems like y'all really dig those type of videos, so I think that's what I'm gonna, you know, kind of aim for. I'm actually getting ready to go back down to Glenwood tonight. Y'all definitely probably gonna love this one. I'm probably just gonna pick up like kind of like a part 2, like bean bomb type challenge. You know what I'm saying? Sorry, I hope one of these things looking like, man. Y'all see it, man. But yeah, man, we gonna keep running up numbers. I just need y'all to engage a little bit more and be straight, bro. Channel's growing a little bit more now, so that's good. I still can't. I've been trying to collab with people, bro, but nobody's really hit me back. I'm always getting, I'm down. They hit me back. No, I hit them. They hit me back, but nobody, you know, they flake on me a little bit. I'm not saying they flakers, but you know, they flake on me a little bit, and they don't ever want to show up when it's time. But it's cool. I've been filming with Brandon. Y'all don't know, Brandon's the guy in the last video that I got dressed for him. Make sure y'all go subscribe to his channel, Brandon Reyes. I'll definitely leave a link in the description below. Go check his page out. He makes great fitness content. But yeah, man, I'm thinking about going back out to Glenwood. I seen you guys really like that video, so I'm gonna go out to Glenwood. I'm just gonna ask some people some questions. It's not gonna be nothing too wild. It's gonna be related to the Bean Bone Challenge. I'm probably gonna like that video, so make sure that y'all turn y'all post notifications to be ready to receive that video, you know what I'm saying? Also, what I think I'm gonna do for the rest of Vlogmas is just to kind of keep the engagement going. Whoever leaves the most first comments on each video, I'm gonna buy y'all a Christmas gift. So yeah, you gotta make sure you got your post notifications on. You're ready to watch every video, and you comment as soon as you get to that video, man. We gotta get the fan engagement up and really get seen. That's gonna really put us on the map. We're trying to get into the YouTube algorithm, but we can't do that if y'all not engaging with the content. So let's get that done. And yeah, man, may the best man win. So I got the video of Brandon talking to ladies coming soon. I didn't want the video to be too long. Not to mention I didn't want to spend too much time on one video, especially for Vlogmas, since I have to post every day. I work 9 to 5, well 8 to 4, but bro, mukbangs low key kind of suck because the food just be getting cold, bro. I'm just gonna eat it because I'm hungry. Oh, bro, I forgot about this video, bro. I got a video coming out with Kayla, and I think it's gonna be the funniest video. I think that's gonna come out Sunday. Oh, it's gonna be a great weekend, bro. If I have the Brandon talking to ladies video drop in, part 2 of my Bing Bong challenge, and then also have the video with me and Kayla. Oh, bro. Nah, yeah, that's gonna be a good weekend. As far as release content, bro. But I just wanted to come on here, man. Pick y'all brain. You know how I do. See y'all thoughts on things. Any video suggestions? Give me a video suggestion. Matter of fact, comment down below a video suggestion right now. I'm just gonna probably end the video there, bro. I just wanted to come on here, bro. Pick some brains. No zombie. Get ready to head down to Glenwood. Give y'all some content, bro. But wait! Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, man. Turn on post notifications. It's just the bell icon right beside the subscribe button. You feel me? So make sure you hit that little bell icon. And yeah, man, help me go up. Because we're trying to go up. You feel me? Peace.
You are clearly an AP two-tone.
Yeah.